Hi everyone, this is Anne from the Bible Diet. Today I'm going to show you how to make hummus. If you are new on this channel, I encourage you to subscribe. I publish videos every Tuesday with plant-based recipes, cooking tips and techniques, and also Bible information regarding health and food, so you don't want to miss that. Alright, let's get started. You'll need to crush 7 to 8 garlic cloves with a large knife. Then peel them. Add some olive oil in a pan and cook the garlic cloves on low-medium heat until slightly brown. In a food processor, add 3½ cups of canned chickpeas, 1/3 cup tahini paste, a ½ cup of fresh lemon juice, the roasted garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, a ½ teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and process everything. Then you can place the hummus in a small bowl, and for the decoration you can place some chickpeas at the top, as well as some extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of cayenne pepper or paprika if you don't want too much spice, and some fresh parsley. Et voilà! That's it for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.